Good afternoon, my dear students. I am teaching class 10th, chapter number 2 from chemistry, that is acids, bases and salts. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the chemical properties of bases, neutralization reaction and the dilution of acids and bases. So, in this, we will be starting with a new topic, that is indicators. So what are indicators? Indicators are those substances which change their color or which change their odor when they are added to an acidic solution or to an alkaline solution. Okay students, so on the basis of this, indicators are of 4 types. What are those 4 types? Natural indicators, synthetic indicators, universal indicators and olfactory indicators. So now we'll be studying in detail about the natural indicators. These are the substances which are found in the plant. For example, we have got litmus. So first example is the litmus solution, which is a purple color dye which is extracted from a plant known as lichen from the plant kingdom Thallophyta. When it is in a neutral solution, it remains in purple, but once if I draw a table, acidic solution and basic solution, so how the color changes. So litmus solution changes from red to blue. In basic it shows blue color, in acidic solution it shows red color. So second example we can take of red cabbage leaves. These red cabbage leaves, in acidic solution they are giving red color and in basic solution they are giving green color. Third example can be your turmeric, that is the haldi. The turmeric in the basic solution, in acidic solution it is yellow in color, but once it comes to basic or alkaline solution it turns to dark brown. Okay students, and next can be your colored petals of some flowers. Like hydrangea is there, petunia is there, and geranium. These are few plants. Geranium. So how they behave? From blue they change to pink in the basic solution and blue color in the acidic solution. So if we come on the next indicator, that is the synthetic indicator, we have got methyl orange as an example. Methyl orange. So methyl orange has got, if I take about acidic, neutral and basic, so it will be red, orange, yellow. Red, orange, yellow. So you can learn like this: ROY, R-O-Y, respectively in acidic, neutral and basic solution. Another example we can learn is of phenolphthalein. L is silent, phenolphthalein. Same way in acidic, neutral and basic medium it will be CCP. It will be colorless in the acidic solution, colorless in the neutral solution and pink in the basic solution. Okay students, and many more are there and synthetic indicators are synthesized in the laboratory and the industries. Now we come to the universal indicator. Universal indicator is a mixture of several substances which gives the exact concentration of the H plus ion in the solution. So these are the universal indicator. And the last is the olfactory indicator. In this we can have onion, vanilla and clove, because they change their odor in their acidic and basic solution. So students, please learn the change in the color, learn the examples being given. They have been asked in several times in the board exam, and please go through this topic. Next lecture we will be studying about the pH scale. So stay at home, read this topic. Thanks.